Ever imagine turning your wildest design ideas into stunning fabric prints without even touching a sketch pad? Whether you're a fashion designer, textile artist, or just someone who loves experimenting with unique patterns, Midjourney can help you create breathtaking custom fabric prints for your clothing line. So, in this video, we'll explore how you can generate original textile designs using AI, ensuring your fashion pieces stand out with one-of-a-kind prints. And as always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to help you elevate your fabric design game. Let's jump right in. Let's start with an essential step, setting a theme. A strong visual theme helps define the mood of your fabric print. Whether it's floral, right here, or geometric, like this one, or abstract, kind of like this one, or inspired by nature. Also, this one, kind of like this, flowers still. So, the key here is to be intentional with your style. AI, like Midjourney, can generate just about anything, but your vision drives the results. So, let's craft a unique prompt to bring our idea to life. Okay, so what I want to do for Midjourney to generate mainly focuses on Japanese cherry blossoms and has like watercolor textures and has soft pastel hues of pink and blue. Okay, has floral details, ink wash accents, and lightweight silk fabric. Okay, there we go. So let's send this off, or you could just adjust the image size or aspect ratio. Let's go with the square, or you could do it raw, and then let's send this off. Okay, here we go. The image rendering process might take a bit while, but it won't take very long. Again, just be patient. All right, I think we're almost about done. And let's see the results. Okay, it's cleared up and focused really well. Look at this with each of the rendered image results. See, the softness of the watercolor effect adds a dreamy touch, and the cherry blossoms right here. And talking about this one as well, and another one right here. See, really create a beautiful natural flow in the pattern. Here's the last one. All four of them really nailed it. Not gonna lie. The ink wash accents give it an authentic Japanese aesthetic, making it perfect for elegant silk garments. Let's see, once more. Another one right here. Last one. See? All four of them? They're quite perfect. Nice. Abstract and geometric patterns are super popular in fashion, especially in high-end streetwear and futuristic designs. The great thing about AI-generated patterns is that you can experiment with intricate symmetrical designs or bold asymmetrical compositions. Let's try something that blends retro vibes with a futuristic edge. Okay, here's my prompt right over here. I want it like seamless. There we go. 80s retro wave aesthetic, neon gradient, layer geometric shapes, has a glitch, okay, has holographic effects, okay, dark purple and electric blue tones, vaporwave inspiration. All right, so let's send this off right about now. Okay, now we wait right over here. Of course, this won't take much longer. So, can surprise us with unexpected results. And yep, here it is. Wow, 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 wow. Look at all these neon accents right there and the geometric patterns and all. See? Right here. And another one right here. Oh, look, the digital glitch effect adds an ultra-modern twist, while the geometric shapes keep that retro aesthetic intact. The same goes for here. Yep, another one right here. Okay, this one, I love it. Almost matches or very close. That really matched the prompt that I just sent. The layered holographic effect makes it even more visually dynamic. Okay, so imagine this as a statement piece on a, let's say, a bomber jacket or leggings. It's pretty eye-catching and completely unique. So, yep, let's look at these once more. Yep, I really like this the most. So, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Now, what if we want a fabric print that feels rich and textured, like it has multiple layers of artistic techniques? Now, mixed media patterns give depth to textiles by blending different artistic styles. Think brushstrokes, watercolor washes, and even photographic elements, kind of like this one, and like this one, perhaps. So, let's create an artistic fabric print inspired by, let's say, hand painted textures. Okay, here's my prompt right here. See, hand-painted brushstroke textures, organic color blending, earthy ochre? I don't know how to pronounce it. Warm sienna, soft muted teal, okay, expressionism inspired, has subtle gold leaf accents, linen canvas texture, ink splatter effects. Alrighty, so let's send this off right about now. As usual, the process might not take too quick, but you could just wait a bit while for Midjourney to work its magic. Alright, here it is. The final touches right here. Okay, not bad. Look at all the abstract style right here. This is quite stunning. The raw hand painted texture makes this look like it was crafted by an artist in a studio rather than generated by AI. Get that? Very believable. Another one right here. The added gold leaf accents give it a luxurious touch, and the organic ink splatters that make it feel spontaneous and unique. Okay, another one right here. Just imagine this print on flowy linen or a structured coat. It would add so much character to a collection, like this kind of pattern right here. Also, if you want it like a different rendered image results, you can just click use text, then press enter, and here it is the second batch. Or if you want to add variety in the ones that you lean forward more, very subtle, or you can very strong. Right here. Okay, here's the second one. All right, this one. I really like this even more. See, you can just redo that. Okay, here it is, the subtle and the strong one. And yep, here it is. And that's how you can use Midjourney to design unique custom fabric prints. From floral themes to geometric abstracts and textured mixed media patterns, the possibilities are endless.